Hello everyone, I am Subhashmita Maharana, studying in class 7 of BJNM School 2, situated in Satyabhamapur, Bhubaneswar, and now I am here to say something that I feel about ATL labs. Our Indian government did a great job by planting and constructing those labs in our school, and our school also did a great job, and it gives us chance to read something new and very innovative, and it does a great help in many science and maths projects, in exhibitions also. And I really feel that it should be constructed in each and every school of India, and I'm really very much thankful to the government and our schools to constructing those labs in our school. uh, they also teach us very interesting and very new modern things like robotics and some machinery things, and I'm really very much happy to read this. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Subhashmita Maharana of class 7 from BGM School 2. I'm now gonna explain my project based on electrics, that is a smart home using a rain alarm. So, we all know that water is very basic need in everyone's life, and saving water is very necessary step. So here is an alarm which will detect the rain and give an alarm and alert us so that we can take immediate actions to save water. So the materials required for the project are rainboard module having rainboard and rain module, a buzzer, a LED, an Arduino UNO, three types of jumper wires, male to male, male to female, female to female, and a breadboard for the temporary connection. So here you can see the setup of the diagram. All the or the requirements things are connected with each other through jumper wire. Okay, so let's get to the working of the circuit. So the two common pins of the board and module are connected to each other, and the last three pins VCC, GND and A0 are connected to the Arduino pin. The three pins of the module are connected to the Arduino pin respectively. So and then the positive terminals of LED and the buzzer are connected to the A0 and 5 volt, and the negative terminals of the LED and buzzer are connected to the pin number -3 and the pins respectively. So after preparation, to check whether it's working or not, we will put 4 to 5 drops of water on the rainboard by the help of dropper. If the buzzer starts ringing and the light starts lightning, striking light, then we will know that the project is perfectly ready. So the applications of the project are, it can be used in normal household and by farmers for rainwater harvesting, and industrial areas if that's AC drain. And here you can see the flow chart. The rain falls down, then rainboard senses it and gives the command to the Arduino that have high and low mode. High means buzzer on, LED on, and low means off. The both things are off. Thank you everyone.